What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are in the middle of nowhere. It's a little bit sunny, which is quite nice. It's quite dry, so we're gonna take the 690, which had it's had its first service for a little spin, and we're gonna test the little slip adjuster. Going up hills to see how it behaves. So currently I've got it set in the mode 5. This slip adjuster you can set from where are we? Slip adjuster. Actually, it's in rally mode. So if you go to right, you go to configure rally mode, and then dynamic slip adjuster. You can see possibly here is on. You can see you can adjust it from 5, which is in the middle right now, and if it's going up to 9, which means you have the most grip and the least slip, and going down you have the most ability to spin the rear wheel should you need to, all the way to 1, which is the tiniest bit of slip adjuster on. I've had it in mode 5 so far, and I've tested a little bit of hills, and it seems to be just the right amount for me as a beginner. So, without further ado, let's go and test the slip adjuster. So I've had a few questions on and a few comments on the last videos I've posted. A lot of people have been talking about the heat issues from the exhaust. So I've had a stock exhaust originally, and I haven't really noticed anything extreme. Does it run hot? Yes. Is there problem with the heat? I don't think so. Now that I've swapped to the Remus exhaust, I have noticed it is running a bit better. Now today we are going to do a bit of off-roading. I've got a nice little green layer route set up for today. We're also going to test a DJI Neo 2 to see whether it's able to follow you or not. So if you're interested in a follow me drone and seeing wherever it's gonna crash or die, or whenever it can actually take some decent footage following you, we will find out today. And the first lane starts just here. Nice little tiny climb, which is illegal byway, by the way. You would never say so, but let's have a look. You can see the horses have been. Nice. Getting used to the bike slowly. Oh, a bit tight here. Whoa. Oh, pheasant, watch out, Fizzy. Okay, it's getting a bit tricky in here. This is where the slip adjuster comes in handy. It starts to propel you forward. Whoppa! Nice, very nice, smooth. Traction all the way. First gear. Traction, definitely traction. Good, so this is working just fine as intended. There is a little bit of slippage here and there. However, I remember I used to do this hill when I first time got the bike, not in rally mode, just in the off-road mode, which means that you get to only control the throttle and the amount of spin yourself, and it was quite spinny. I had to, here and there, I had to put my foot down, or it would have spun me sort of out of the way. So the slip adjuster definitely works, and the mode 5 right in the middle seems to be seems to be just where I like it. All right, let's see. Now I will calibrate the gimbal, as you can see, and after the gimbal calibration you can put that filter on, and in theory you should be able to set following from rear, following medium, following medium, right, and that should be a look. So
rear, cycling follow, 3, 2, 1, unable to take off.
all right.
Aim camera at subject first.
It doesn't like my helmet. Anyway, we start again. I know it will pick it up eventually. I have to look from angle.
Rear, cycling follow, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Cycling follow. So I want it a little bit up, so I'm gonna give it a hand gesture. I'm gonna move it upstairs, like so. Close the face. There we go. That's where I want it. See if it's gonna be able to keep up on this lovely straight, and then I'll show you what the footage looks like. Hopefully it's not too high to hit something. If it does, we'll see if it survives. So let's go. And it's coming. There we go. We're doing 25 miles an hour. Is it keeping up? I don't know. But we'll see. Oh, it's keeping up. Nice. So as I keep riding, I'm just hoping it's keeping up. But I know up to sort of 25 mile-ish, it's okay. We'll see what the footage looks like after I stop down here before the big hill, because I don't think it'll be able to come all the way down here and avoid what's down there. So I'm gonna stop just here, and we'll see if we still got a drone, A, and B, can we land it? I can hear it behind me, so that's good. So now it should just land. I'm gonna give it my palm. Come to Papi, I'm in Jedi. Thank you. Right, that wasn't bad at all. Well, let's keep going and let's see. Let's see if we can do some more riding. And the Remus is singing today. It's singing, let me tell ya. All right, it's following me. I think so. Hey, hello, buddy. How close are you? Come on, keep up. Keep up, boy. Gentle with the lamp here. It's keeping up, just about. I think I was going too fast. I think I had 35 on that at some point. Hey boy, woohoo! That was close, wasn't it, son? You nearly got me there. So, we've launched the drone again. Hopefully it won't hit anything on the way, and I've arrived to the destination. Ahead of me, it starts off very gently, but soon becomes what I call a hill of hell. And I've not once been able to get up there without stopping, falling off, crashing. And I feel like today, on a dry day, is gonna be the day. So, you follow me and come see me smash this hill. So, as I said, it starts off very nice, straight bit. No problem here, bit of wobble, and at the end of this there is just a hell. There is wooden bits, there is chalk, there is a bit of everything you can imagine. quite steep. And as I said so many times I've been there, I've always fallen off, crashed, or at least had to sit and get some traction, put my foot down. So we'll see if today's gonna be the day. I feel like after the 600 miles on this bike, I finally gained a little bit of confidence to ride it. Drone is still with me, which is good. So we're gonna give it some beans, see if it can keep up. See, this is a perfect example of what I was saying, that there's illegal riding. This is all by illegal riders. I don't ride this bit, I ride this legal road. But they've made an absolute mess out of this field. Look. Yeah. So we're gonna stop in here, get a drone down, and I really, really hope I can get this massive uphill in one go. Okay, wish me luck. I really don't want to crash because I've got a drone in there, so I gotta focus. Rally mode on. Slip adjuster on. Here goes nothing. Right, nice standing position. It is steep. It doesn't look it, but it is steep, promise you. So, starts with a sharp left, and it gets chalky and dodgy. You can see there's shit everywhere. This is the bit. First one. Okay, second one through the middle. Ground clearance, good. All right. Oh, this fucking tree here. Fuck off. Fuck off. Hoppa. Hoppa, come on. Let's get it. No slippage. Steep as fuck. It's slippery. I can feel it. Whoa. Whoa. Nearly went down that way. Come on, we're nearly up. Hoppa. Fuck yeah, let's go. That's what we're talking about. Oof. Nasty that hill, nasty. I'm sweating. It is hot. Okay. Little success. That little branch in the middle scared the fuck out of me because I didn't know which way to take it. Normally it's not there. But hey ho. And this is where it gets a little bit gnarly. That was fucking close, wasn't it? Well, I'd say the DJI is doing really well. So far, we've had some good footage, I believe. There we go. Right, let's continue. So yeah, 690 Enduro 2026. Can a beginner rider ride Enduro? I think you can. I think if you've got a bit of base road riding skills, and I think your height is going to play a crucial role in this, because if you can't put your foot down in here, you're going to be dropping it a load. It's a tall bike. I'm 6'3", 192 centimeters, whatever you want to call it, around 190. About 85 kilos when I'm a bit chunky, and I find the bike dealing with my height and weight just fine. I think if you're anything under 170, you would struggle with this. And then I know you could put a lowering kit on it, but don't know if it defeats the point or not. It's not a heavy bike, 155 kilos, but it will make you feel the weight when you ditch it and drop it in a ditch and then you're trying to take it out. So let's get the drone out, shall we? Oh my god. Hot, hot, hot. Is it too windy for the drone? Hopefully not.
Rear. Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's see how the DJI copes with a bit of wind. I think you'll be fine. It's slightly windy, but it's not too bad. Come on, buddy, let's take some good footage. You come in or what? Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Let's see how far he can keep up within 22 miles. See that? Yeah, we're losing him slowly. I'd say 30 kilometers an hour is probably, it's gonna be the wind as well. It's gonna, yeah, it's windy. It's windy as hell. Damn, it's really windy right now. So if he survives this, he's gonna be just fine. See, he's balancing it just right, but he can't keep up with the speed because of the balancing. It's really, really super windy right now. I've lost him. Where did I lose him? Okay. We've lost him somewhere. Oh no. Let's hope he's on the road, not in a field. Where did you go, Kapna Joe? Oh no. Oh, he's standing there. Hola, senor. How you doing? You see me? Oh, buddy. Stay. Wait for me. Bro, where you going? Where you going? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, come here. Bro, where the fuck are you going? Bro, wait. Wait, let's go. See if we can get you. Come on, buddy, come on, buddy, come on, buddy. Buddy, wait. Buddy, wait. Wait, come here. Come on. Come to puppy. Come on, too windy, isn't it? Come on. Come on, don't lose it. It's super windy. I know. Gotcha, little buddy. Well, see, that can also happen. Okay. Well, I'm glad we managed to capture it. And now I know what the rough limit of this little thing is. Because if you're asking it to go 20 miles an hour and in that direction, and the wind is coming in that direction, it may very well happen that it ends in the field like this. A little detour to the farmer's field. Sorry about it, Mr. Farmer, didn't mean to. Let's hope this is not electric. Just get in. Just get in. Listen, don't let your dreams be your dreams, yeah? You go and fucking buy that bike. Go ride a trail. Hit me up. Let's ride a trail together, yeah? I don't care where you are. I'll meet you up. France, Spain, Morocco. Call me. Let's ride. Alright then, I guess this will conclude the DJI test and the little 690 ride. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I'll see you in the next episode. Let's go!